Here's some Hubble Telescope trivia. Subscribe. What was launched into orbit in 1990? Is it A. Mars rover, B. Hubble Space Telescope, C. Apollo 15, or D. Voyager 2? The correct answer is B. Hubble Space Telescope. Who was the first scientist to propose a space telescope? Is it A. Lyman Spitzer, B. Albert Einstein, C. Isaac Newton, or D. Nikola Tesla? The correct answer is A. Lyman Spitzer. What type of instrument is the Hubble? Is it A. Planetarium, B. Earth Observatory, C. Radio Telescope, or D. Space Telescope? The correct answer is D. Space Telescope. How many years of service occurred by 2020? Is it A. 20 years, B. 30 years, C. 25 years, or D. 35 years? The correct answer is B. 30 years. Which department operates the Hubble telescope? Is it A. NASA, B. NSF, C. ESA, or D. NOAA? The correct answer is A. NASA. In which orbit does Hubble travel? Is it A. Geostationary orbit, B. Low Earth orbit, C. Medium Earth orbit, or D. Deep space orbit? The correct answer is B. Low Earth orbit. What is the diameter of Hubble's primary mirror? Is it A. 2 feet, B. 2.4 meters, C. 3.5 meters, or D. 1 meter? The correct answer is B. 2.4 meters. What kind of light can Hubble detect? Is it A. infrared light, B. X-ray light, C. radio waves, or D. ultraviolet light? The correct answer is D. ultraviolet light. What is Hubble's primary mission? Is it A. astronomy observations, B. satellite communications, C. military surveillance, or D. weather forecasting? The correct answer is A. astronomy observations. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.